Disable driver signature enforcement in Windows 10. For this guide, you need to install the Xiaomi USB drivers. You can find the download link in the description of this video. If you have already installed the USB drivers, you can go straight to unlocking the bootloader. Windows 10 will only load drivers that have been signed by Microsoft. To install unsigned drivers, you'll need to disable driver signature enforcement. There's a simple way to do this. Hold down the Shift key while you click the Restart option in Windows. PC will restart into the Advanced Boot Options menu. Select the Troubleshoot option on the screen that appears. Select Advanced Options. Click the Startup Settings tile. Click the Restart button to restart your PC. When your computer restarts, you'll see a list of options. Press 7 or F7 on your keyboard to select Disable Driver Signature Enforcement. Your PC will boot with driver signature enforcement disabled, and you'll be able to install unsigned drivers. This method only temporarily disables driver signature enforcement. After you restart, your computer, driver signature enforcement will automatically turn itself on. Unlocking the phone's bootloader. If your device is locked, you have to unlock it first. Go to your phone settings. Select System Info. Tap My UI version repeatedly to enable developer options. Go back to the main menu and select Additional Settings. Tap Developer Options. Enable the OEM Unlock and USB Debugging option. Turn off your phone. Press the volume key and the power button at the same time to enter fastboot mode. Then connect the device to the Windows PC via a USB cable. Download MI Unlock tool. Open MI Unlock. Sign in with your MI account. Click the Unlock button. A message will warn you that the bootloader unlock will take 168 hours, 7 days. Wait the 7 days and connect the phone to your PC in fastboot mode as seen before. Start MI Unlock and complete the bootloader unlock. Creating a Magisk patched boot image for rooting. Download the APK file of the latest version of Magisk from the official website. You can find the link in the description of the video. Copy the APK file to your phone memory. Download the latest official ROM for your phone from the link in the video description. Unzip the ROM file with 7-zip. Copy the boot.img file to your phone's memory. Go to your phone and open the file manager. Navigate to the folder where you copied the Magisk APK file and install it. If prompted, grant permission to install from this source. Launch Magisk Manager app. Tap Install. Choose Select and Patch a file. Navigate to the storage and select the boot.img image file you have copied to your phone. Tap Let's Go. The patching will start. Once done, the patched file will be saved in the download folder. Copy and paste the patched file to your PC. Rename the file in Magisk_patched.img. Rooting Xiaomi phones with Magisk. Download the latest version of the SDK platform tools. Unzip the file in a folder on your PC. Copy the Magisk_patched.img file into the platform tools folder. Connect the phone to the PC with the USB cable. Start the Windows command prompt as administrator. Navigate to the Platform Tools folder. Type ADB devices and press Enter to verify that the phone is recognized and grant permissions on the phone screen. Disconnect the phone from the PC and turn it off. Press and hold the power and volume down keys to boot the phone into fast boot mode. Connect your phone to the PC with the USB cable. Open the device manager and check that the phone is properly recognized. If the phone is not properly recognized, install the official Xiaomi USB drivers. Go back to the command prompt window. Type fastboot devices to check that the device is properly recognized. Type fastboot flashboot Magisk_patched.img to flash the patched boot image. Type fastboot reboot to reboot the phone. Rooting is now complete. You can check it by opening Magisk. To check you are properly rooted, use the Root Checker app. You can download it from the Play Store.